Using the Garmin 701 with Applied Ballistics, we're just going to burn through these same 4 targets with holdovers using the Tremor and the data based off the AB Garmin. So the first one is 699. We got 5.8 mils holdover. There's a bit more wind coming from the right now, so that's something we're going to factor in. We're going to just start using the Tremor dots. We'll bracket between 1 and 2, so 5.8 mils. We'll start with that. We'll bracket between 1 and 2. Alright, impact, the first one, target 2 is 550, so that's 3.9. Again, we'll bracket 1 and wind dot 1 and 2. And now hit close to the right edge, so it's closer to 1. Tremor dot, target 3 is 497, 3.2. And we'll use the first wind dot. That hit a little bit low, but that's manageable. And 811 is 7.5. And we'll use the first wind dot. Right. I didn't even see that. And we've got a double feed. Wicked. .5, first dot right. Done. So, you know, speed drop's awesome, but this in itself is another great piece of gear.